Hi, my name is Mimbo. Today, let me introduce a handicraft shop in Kobe, Japan. Kobe Prefecture is a semi-industrial and semi-residential area. Kobe got hit by a strong earthquake 26 years ago, but now it has already fully recovered and everything is rebuilt. Kobe is known as port town and had lots of fashionable streets. Here is a Sannomiya station, and this is underpass. Many shops are lined up under the railroad tracks. There are also shops with cute cloth and threads. Today, I want to introduce 3 handicraft shops. First of all, it is a big handicraft shop, Yuzawaya. If you're looking for handicraft supplies, Yuzawaya is perfect. You can get all of the materials here. You can get all of the materials here.
Didn't think she'd notice, but I know she caught my stare. And I can't help but wonder what she's thinking now. Is she standing alone, going home, or just hanging around with nothing to do?
Next one is Deutschgeten. This store has started in business for 67 years already. The history of this shop is not the significant part of this store, but it also sells antique handicraft materials and showcases all the methods of handicraft making. But I'm sorry I can't provide any photos of this shop because they prohibit any recording. Whenever I visit the shop, I lots of. This last place is the most recommended place for everyone. This shop sells everything for only 100 yen. Its materials are durable and also budget friendly. You can get a ball of yarn, different types of cloth and materials. Moreover, if you want to bring some souvenirs, you can also get some from that shop. How was the handicraft shop in Kobe? Please come and see me when Corona is over. Thank you for watching.